boys. Nayibonile table. Joe, sizothini ebantwini? Kyarra.
I guess things are going back to normal. Let me leave.
Kaizer Chiefs batla go buisa ka pelo. Hello everyone, welcome to Mzansi's Finest Videos. This is Davis Mukhomo. Please like, subscribe, comment and share.
But Pumlani, before we even get to that derby, you guys have to face Stellenbosch FC tomorrow, and that is a tricky team.
Lalela, Stellenbosch for Kaizer Chiefs, it has been a problem. There's been matches whereby we struggled against them, but tomorrow, Stellenbosch, Melesi is shy. We're going to give Stellenbosch a match so that we can go to the finals. Lalela, Kaizer Chiefs, Amakosamach, love and peace. Siyabangen.
Yamano!
A few moments later.
Oi! Hello petrol. Ekufanele 4 pipes yawudla petrol.
Yeah, for pipe.
Idlu petrol 4 pipes.
Yeah, 1 liter.
Leli R leli. Kodwa nizoba right imphaloko. Emathini nizoba green. Yeah. Nizoba right. 5 liters uzoba right. Yawudla petrol 4 pipes.
Wait. Asibheke ukuthi ubani fast. Senza kanje. Bona ubani fast. Ali.
Doesn't look right.
Oh, no, ubayakho babe.
Okay,
Bye-bye. Alright, hambe kahle.
Ish, I hope he's not a baby.
Sisi, ungayekela umntana omncane ukuthi ahambe nge-Uber ayi-1 mangamtshontsha la uzothini?
Akusumntana omncane lo, umuntu wami.
Hola. So umuntu wakho wamampela vele.
Ibaba, ucabangani umuntu wamanye impela lo.
Udrive.
Ukhalelani fast mfethu. Khamani chips. Yenzeni chips? Khamani. Idliwe. Pasta. Ngiphethe u200. Uzowin.
Kodwa Nkosi yami ufunani uMorris egroundini? Ufunani uMorris egroundini?
Le penalty.
Hawu kodwa Nkosi yami labo coach ama decision making wabo ngiyakhala. Phulile umoya wami le ndoda ngiyam understand unabe why bengamsebenzisi lo mfolo akasebenziseki.
Ayiphutheli 1.
Uzomsebenzisa kanjani? Angivamile angiyena umuntu ovamkhuluma kabi ngama player but umoya wami uphukile.
Eish, sonke bahamba.
Izenzo zalo mfolo.
Hayi
Only thing he had to do mfethu was try penalty yakhe. Asisifuni into eyiningi. The whole season asidimandanga next kuwe. I mean bengekho for the whole season. Uyabuya esikhundleni sekuthi he needs to endear himself into our hearts. Yena ke wavele wenza intando yakhe. angabuyi.
Me between you is over. Make between you. Nobody else in together again. When the stambile zamezalo like ulaza.
Kade wasihlukumeza. Kade. Yabo. Bakushaya. Into engicasulani lo tavern banguphiya. Yakushaya kunjalo kodwa lengane. Benithi ngizoyihlanganyela nomali. Yakushaya lengane lena.
Graduation gown ye-Chiefs lo muntu. Next time.
Usalla. Next time I promise.
Wallah. Shame, boy. Estamos robados. That rubbish bin is too clean, man.
Coordination, you is him cry. What did happen?
Black label.
Darren Bosch, take us out of Carling Cup. Sorry. You is remember when us is a beat Darren Bosch in the extra time. You say, us is not the beat Darren Bosch in extra time. But you now is a can't beat Darren Bosch in the open play, in the extra time, in the penalties. Worst part, Darren Bosch is have 9 players in the ground. Hey, you're around 2.
What an embarrassment.
Yo,
Imali yabantu.
Society. Yo, amakhathwana ID zami.
Neskinyiwe kanina ngabantu abanenhlanhla. Ngakwa ngabantu bakunathikayo ababoqhezwa linathika ba.
I1 ithime engashaya Stellenbosch la eSouth Africa. Hayi laba abanye. Kodwa ngifuna ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs ngoba kuzobe kuthiwa mina and angithandi inkulumo.
Sundowns. Niphi? Ngicela nimise nibhasi bandla nathi basikhuphile.
Sisonke.
Basikhuphile sanda kuphuma manje.
Kabuhlungu.
No besingapakishanga kakhulu vele imithwala yikho nzima. Siza nechipa Nkosi yami ngicela nisilinde nikuphi misani ibhasi bo.
It's-cheap.
Bekade sisemapenalthini kwase uNtwari wangafuna ukuphuma walibamba ipenalty lokuqala ayike bese kumele ukuthi bonke bawashayeke base kufika ke lo ozokumela ashaye igoli lokugcina sijabule uMorrison wathi nje lutho kwagogezola silindeni
But Morrison is Jesus.
Akusonya wethu. Hayi ngathi akusonya wethu bafana. Hayi no. Hayi buhlungu lento. Le team lena izosiphula inhliziyo.
It is back to factory settings.
Wona umsebenzi wayo usiphula inhliziyo. Buhlungu lento. I can't take it anymore. I can't. Angisakwazi. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Njalo mfethu ngihlukumezwa wena. Njalo ngihlukumezwa wena. Njalo. Uyangihlukumeza njalo. Every time it's you. Ngiphula inhliziyo. That's fine. It's fine. Nkosi yasho ukuthi bayazi abakwenzayo. It's fine.
Hey.
Hey.
Wenyewa.
What's up? Yeah, wena. I'm sharp. Yeah, man. Yini ngathi ufuna ukucommit i-suicide we?
Ngeke.
Enough is enough. Enough.
Alex, awukosiyami Alex, cha mphathi, vela sikhulume. Cha ngifuna sikhulume. Mthiyani? Ngeke ngikwenze lutho nkosiyami shwele. Vela sikhulume Mthiyani, vele la ngaphandle sikhulume. Nkosiyami vela sikhulume. Awu nkosiyami hayi. Ngeke ngikwenze lutho ngifuna sikhulume Mthiyani. Ngiyazi ukhona ngiyakuzwa. Mthiyani vele cha ngifuna sikhulume. Okay ngicela ungiphelezela sokukhanga ngiyokhamba. Awu nkosiyami vela sikhulume.
ntombora gore batho ba botsa ka metha le metha gore ba ga o kana lo FIFA Chiefs ana kgetha o se thieletse ana bele nna re modileng ya so apo ya fanda ka mo ana we nkotele metsa o fisha cheka metsinya na malonya na ka ana batho ba akwe re ba ska FIFA Chiefs ba o misha ditho uvaile a sana nto ya reta idea plakolla machine ba rona tsena swite ya swite sona ba re tsena swite ba tsena wana batho plakolla machine metsa wena o jigelona uvaile
ene la o ka nna le sound down so ka pole pirates system ha o tsena ka ndumbeng o tloga makhosi.
Hello kaka wena ke nnete taba tse ke di tlang go wena se tso joinile pirates yana
ya ke nnete se ke le pirates no ya wa bona Chiefs mo sa
bona before bua ka Chiefs go la ntho ke batloetse ke tla go founela ne okay baba
ezimnyama zamagepo
Dala rakhat. Maroska mola.
mo jajile ngo dori Kaizer Chiefs ana ba awile aili bada tshime dorbla na ben kubela Chiefs ba thoma o register chicken eggs ba register gubo ba bona o re ke bo bona event company o find ka no they are good in marketing o pela ba le chicken
Ba register
re ba kubela re me match abo bona ba televise ka OnlyFans o faka apona ha a ke ka bo bona go phela ba keliwa re ba re kopela ore gwa na jurana gwa ba ro extend I tsama gwa Sun City fitana gwa ba ro bula drongo mabanditi ana li space ka wetsa la ka Sun City ba jeri space re ba re kopela re Chiefs ka ralgela me Manchester Stadium re ba re kopela re ralgela Summit or era lugela Royal Park or Box Street ka bulubana or Boron ka tsane le banyana ba le ba ka sebetsa ba le wetsa ke stripper gore maplara ka boka ka masanyenge ka mazanko ka mapsatse kwa ntwari o gidimela ka ra channel ke ra go ya motlo ba go ka o go bo ya nga mwana o ro bya butrela o ro bya botokotoko o ka re ke ntwari so ya lela lilepo asika krimi wa ro wa ze mamola wa zargini gili bet novate gili ambinga rike ambassador ya Carolite ni muchuba uri Kofanuri kanyimbao maramazo ar mechanic the left mayo rawa duma bo wi mayo le yoka mayo o kitifa okay o wela 500 gara ku container o mayo a ke tse gore ke mabotsu fucking komaji u fuck butombo mayo so ba re ke serino no tsena no ya mema ngare ke le kala tla o sokola la o ganya o pele
Oh.
Tsela be kri Chiefs do jelo ka mo ka kopela le ntshwarela ya xolisa khalipe go phakathi le
ufuna uqala ama-perfect radio bantu bayithena kaloku nama-spam eyawina likono ayinama-spam eyawina manje
kunenye i-breakup manje ngakwenza ukhuluma i-1 for 5 hours leya baba ukudla akungeni guys leya bathi i-breakup yakhona i-ambush awuboni nothing wrong kule relationship awuboni ukuthi ningahlukani so kuthi masebakutshela manje enye kubelieve yabona le abanye bazothi mina nyengali yabona i-ambush it's better akhona amanye ama-breakup yabona ukuthi vele la besizohlukana vele sobona nama-signs le awuboni next konke kuhle konke ku-right ubona wena i-relationship iflow and usaphupha ngomshado lapho kule relationship bavele bakutshela ukuthi it's over ye bakhe bakuhetha kubenzima nokuphefu le breakup le guys.
So they've just interviewed this Chiefs coach, and he says something very interesting. He says they asked him about this situation, and he says, no, during the week at practice we had planned that if we get to penalties, Bruce is gonna come on and save the penalties. He says that was the plan. So for Ntwari today to decide he's not coming off must tell you everything you need to know about Chiefs and the health of this football club. If you guys think what you saw is normal for a player to decide he's not coming off, we're talking about Chiefs here. A player to tell the coaches he's not coming off because he feels like he shouldn't be substituted. But to take it further, he's going against the plan. You know, it's one thing to say, I'm not coming off, all right? Or to be angry that you're coming off. But if it was the plan, like during the week, that's what we worked on. Even during the week, we said we're going to do this. Then for Sunday to come and you decide on Sunday that,
you're not coming off. But
to hell with the plan.
They should have changed.
Even though I knew this was the plan, I'm not coming off.
Time.
For the penalties, for him to just be fine. Okay, he saved the opening penalty, but I don't think he was overly amazing in the penalty shootout. Look, I'm not sitting here and I'm saying penalties are easy to save. I'm not saying that. But you would expect that someone who's not coming off really has got something to show us in the penalty shot. He didn't have anything to show us. Shout out Sage Stevens. What a personality. I think we need people like that in our league a lot. Sage Stevens, I think he really understands the dark arts of winning. He understands mind games. He's in your ear as the opponent. But yeah, for me, the biggest talking point here, not coming off, undermining the coach's instructions, undermining the plan, what the plan has been for the whole week. We go to war, you decide, you know better.
Kubuhlungu kuyadabukisa sayisiphoxa team. Asas. Wathi wow. Mfethu uhlekani? Uhlekani mfethu? Mfethu yini ehlekusayo?
Awuhambe la. Now before, now during, now after.
Webhuti uhlekani pho?
Ya sithandwa sami ngithi asupheka namhlanje ngithenga iKentucky ngishiye lapha phezulu kwetafula kodwa noma ningangishiyela uphisa owodwa nje ayikho inkinga noma ababili wavele ngisemcimbini.
Oh hayi ngibonile iKentucky leyo sengiyiphekile ngifana amazambane benza ukhari omnandi.
Awuya iKentucky
Yeah, for our chips. Well, thanks for making this far, guys. Remember to help the channel grow. Subscribe. See you in the next upload. Azish.
Abethu onke kule weekend. Pirates kuphele winileyo. All the Vooks are beaten. Iskendoyika umlando obungaka singamabhakani yasabuthini. Yuthi bawam diskendoyika. Yo man, yo. Hello sisi. Ngicela ubuza office eKaizer Chiefs ezo. Oh okay. Yes, uthela naye uthumela drum. I-speak person sabalandeli be-Orlando Pirates ne-president yabalandeli bebhola i-Africa yonke jikelele every Africa. Shaba Stellenbosch, shaba! We are very excited. Sorry. Anhleki sisi. Dithunywa ngamabhakani njenge speak person sabo abalandeli beOrlando Pirates. Sicela ubuza sisi akho nto mhlambe nihalela usixelela yona. No sibuziswa ile nto basibona niphuma early kule midlalo ye-calling knockout ne-Sundowns iphumile izolo nani niyaphuma namhlanje so ngoku siworried ngokungabe kanti mhlambe ikhona into mhlambe eyenzekayo somewhere ufuneka siyileqile noko kusesekuseni for ukuphuma kule midlalo. Andikezi uthumile. Shaba Stellenbosch, shaba! We are very excited. Ngabasixelele kaloku xa khona kufuneka sileqe khona mhlawumbe kuleqwe izimba apho kanye kuyiwaphi sifuna information enjalo.